Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Very proud to introduce a new member of the showroom in the form of a 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Excuse me for a second. As you can see, it's black, Z28 badging from top to bottom, front to back, air induction hood, and it is working. Comes with factory air. With the new addition upgrade with the 383 stroker. Please go to our website at CruisinClassicsInc.com where you'll find a detailed description with all of the new upgrades and the specifics on that. Brand new aluminum radiator with 2 fans, both electric. This is a manual transmission with a 10-bolt rear end. .342 gears. So nice and easy cruising on the freeway. Factory mags all the way around. Beautiful red interior, new carpet, new headliner. This is a T-top car, factory T-top. Power steering, power disc brakes. Factory console with shifter. Beautiful bucket seats, very comfortable. Starts first time every time. Underneath you'll find the ceramic coated headers, the go-to dual Flowmaster exhaust system. Very nice car. And once again, when you go to our website at CruisinClassicsInc.com, you'll see the detailed description on all the upgrades, and it is quite the classic. Give us a call here at Cruisin Classics. We'll be glad to answer any questions you have about this car or any other cars or trucks that we have in stock. Go to our website at CruisinClassicsInc.com where you'll find a detailed description and a bunch of pictures, this video, and everything you need to get this car in your driveway. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.